Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel, your trusted legal partner for all things property, business and beyond. Today we're diving into a topic that might sound a bit dry at first, but trust us, it's essential if you're buying, selling or transferring property in England or Wales. Let's talk about the Land Transaction Return, or as it's often called, the LTR. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it matters, and how to avoid some costly mistakes. So, what is a land transaction return? In simple terms, it's a legal document that must be submitted to HM Revenue and Customs, or HMRC, whenever certain types of property transactions take place. It's used to declare the details of the transaction and calculate any stamp duty land tax or SDLT that might be due. Think of it as the government's way of keeping tabs on who's buying what, for how much, and whether the right amount of tax is being paid. It includes details like 1. The names and addresses of the buyer and seller, 2. The property address, 3. The purchase price or value, and 4. The type of transaction, whether it's a sale, a lease, or even a gift. But here's the thing, you've got just 14 days from the effective date of the transaction to file the return. That's usually the day the sale completes, but it could be earlier if the buyer takes possession or pays most of the price up front. Miss that deadline and you could face penalties. And no one wants that, especially when it's avoidable. Now the good news is, you don't have to go it alone. Most people use a solicitor or licensed conveyancer to handle the return on their behalf. That's where we come in. At Blackstone Solicitors, we take care of the entire process, from preparing the return to submitting it online and ensuring your SDLT is paid on time. We'll even provide you with the SDLT 5 certificate you'll need to register the property with HM Land Registry. You'll need to submit a land transaction return if 1. You're buying property above the SDLT threshold, 2. You're taking on a lease, 3. You're transferring property as part of a divorce settlement, and 4. Gifting property in some cases, but there are exceptions. For example, if no money changes hands or if the property is inherited through a will. So, to sum up, the land transaction return is a vital part of any property deal. It keeps you compliant, ensures the right tax is paid, and helps avoid legal headaches down the line. Need help with your property transaction? Give us a call or email us at Blackstone Solicitors. Our expert team is here to guide you every step of the way, with clarity, confidence, and a personal touch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.